All right, this time I am in Schaumburg, Illinois, in the greater Chicagoland area for the Vintage Computer Festival 19. New venue here at the Renaissance Hotel and Convention Center. I'm ready, I'm excited, it's a lot bigger. Last year, you may remember, it was busting at the seams. We had people in the parking lot. This time we have a lot more room, so I'm ready to go in and check it out. Oh, and there's a big giant gear thing here too. And I think there's a wedding going on too. But we're not going to that. We weren't invited. It's only about 25 minutes in. We've got a line. We got a line out the door here. Check it out. People doing their, I guess, registering, getting all their whatsy-whoosies. I've already got my stuff. But quite the line, and it just keeps going. Okay, quite the line. There it is. Here's the end of the line. It's not quite as exciting as the end of the rainbow, but here we are. People doing their registration, buying their T-shirts, etc. There you go. Very busy, 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 busy. As you can see.
Looks like there was something.
Very busy. Freaking crazy. There's actually concessions. I may just have to do that. Let's see here. I think there's a lot of nothing at the moment. Oh, it's a $9 pizza. Awesome. I'm hungry though. I was hoping for some more pizza to magically appear. Oh, there we go. It's magically appeared. It's magic. There we go. Some pepperoni pizza. That is. It's all ready to go here. Okay, I have my pizza. I'm gonna go back to my table and enjoy it. My $9 pizza. What do you expect? When in Rome, in this case, Schaumburg. I think there's some kind of speaker going on, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. Very, very cool. There's absolutely no room in there. There they go.
Well, thanks for coming to what is now, I think, our fourth annual YouTubers panel. And we have, I probably don't need to introduce any of these people, but I'm going to anyway. Starting us off all the way on the stage, we have Kate Fox from the Macintosh Library. We have Veronica from Veronica Explains, Matt from Polymath, Jacob from Retrobits, Ben from Computer Clan, Sean from Actions Retro, Adrian Black from Adrian's Digital Basement, and of course, Taylor and Amy from Taylor and Amy Show.
I'm gonna go with Star Trek 4 with yeah.
It's very, very crowded in there. I'm just like reaching in with the tripod into the door. So there's a little snippet anyway, but it's very, very crowded in there. Oh, look, it's David Ladd. It's David Ladd. It's David Ladd. You're getting a call. Did they ask if your refrigerator was running? No? Wrong number? Well, they're here. There you go. It was bound to happen. Oh, look at it. There it goes. That's the signal's coming from somewhere across the room.
It's coming from inside your house. It's coming from inside your VPF.
That's right. Looks neat anyway. Yeah, it's purty. Hard.
Not really. We have text scrolling here telling a little story.
It says restarting in 10, dot, dot.
That's it. All right, I just wanted to make sure that the terminals were doing what you wanted.
There.
The stations were doing what I wanted them to do.
Before they became terminal.
Before they became terminal, and you were adding this to your Fairly Amused. Because
you just
have to be Fairly Amused. And yes, I am still holding my bluff.
Yes. You just like it because you're in the intro.
I like it for all kinds of reasons.
Yeah, you're part of the highlight clips.
Well, you've done this several times.
Yeah, that's highlights for season 1.
That would imply that it's all about me. I actually think, these are your videos. You add some interesting flair to them. You have some interesting topics. You're not overloaded with comments, thankfully, believe it or not.
Yes.
Yet. Anyway, we're at VCF Midwest 2024, the 19th one, I believe, and you're at the Forgotten Machines alcove. Welcome.
I believe this booth won the award for the most subtle display.
Yes, this is subtle.
Yes. Yeah, with the bright orange and the blinking lights.
This is subtle.
Yes.
This, my first mainframe by Play School, is subtle. Yeah. This, Protect Key to Tape, is subtle. Where's the screen? There isn't one. How does it work? I guess you got to come see us and help us reverse engineer it.
Awesome.
When we can see how low it gets before we lose power.
There's a voltage meter. Oh, we're at 115. Are you trying to?
So a friend came over and actually got a data logger to log the voltage level.
Oh.
Because, you know, all this tells you is what the current value is. This gives you the value over time.
So this gives you the current value of the current, and this is your
Past value of the current.
Yeah. But it's not.
present.
I see what you did there. Well, there's paper soldering, and there's a fellow here in a lab coat. There you have it. Gone to the auction. Oh, the auction's going on. I should go stick my head in on the auction.
A Max Power, that's for your technology. Max Power PowerPC 750 processor upgrade. For what Mac? Mac people, what Mac will this go in?
Garbage. Well, it says G3 on it.
It's pretty complete. I think it may even be unused. There's the static strap, there's the disc. Now you know. Who's got $20 for that lovely new stock? There's $20 right there. $30, $30, there's 30 right here. $40. And get 240. Okay, 50. Anyone want to do? There's 50 way in the back there. They're in the back. 110, 110, 110. I'd like to see 110. Where's 110? I'm not seeing it though. There's 110 right there in the fourth row. 120. Who's got 120? It's a pretty cool artifact being brand new. Who's got $120? If not, it's going to sell for 110. 110 going once. 110 going twice. Make that slow Mac just a little less slow for $110. Those are the Macs I refer to as when I was working retail. Not good memory.
This is just massive. Oh, there's a Coco. Oh, FujiNet, okay. Yeah, it's right over here, David. I told you I found the guy. It's right here. See, there it is. Yeah, it's even got the channel 7 right on it. So, but that's where it's originating from. And the fellow over there in the long hair, that's his table. This is his table.
You know what'd be cool is to take and get a whole bunch of these and then put it into a RF combiner and then make your own little in-home network.
But yeah, that's what I was getting. That's right, because you can see it's even on channel 7 right there. And he was just trying to have it here, and it's all over the place. Oh, it's got Ghost Rush on it.
And a smaller Pong.
No, small Pong.
You suck.
Well, I wasn't
So
looking.
do I.
I wasn't looking at it.
Well, look at it. You might do better.
It's 15. Thank goodness it's over.
Ghost Rush.
Yes, David. Welcome to 40 seconds ago.
Meow.
Meow. I literally said, "Hey, David, there's Ghost Rush," and you went, "Hey, there's Ghost Rush." Thanks, David. I didn't notice.
You're most welcome, Jason.
Ooh. Yeah, this is significantly bigger. At least it feels bigger. It feels much bigger. Then you don't have people in the hall. All this here. It's thinned out a bit. Can actually see what's going on here. There's just way a lot of stuff. Chuck E. Cheese.
biphase, basically frequency shift keying encoded 4800 baud RS-232 serial, which is then decoded with a bunch of discrete logic on here, sent into a 40-pin UART, and then read by the CPU, which is this, which is broad strokes. It's an Atari 2600 in a box. It's designed by the same guys. It's a 6502 and a Riot chip. It's Nolan Bushnell. It's the same engineers, it's the same handwriting on the game schematics.
I think your tape ran out.
It did. This is just representative.
Yeah.
It's an audio tape. I didn't want to run any. I didn't want to run any of the real show tapes here. I didn't want to put that much wear and tear on the old tapes.
That makes perfect sense.
So that's part of the problem. Is I'm trying to archive as much of the hardware as I can, and other people have been archiving data, but they've not been doing it in the world's most authentic format. They've been converting it to work with these new modern proprietary controllers, which, you know, it works for them. But if you want to run it on one of these systems, you have to reverse engineer all that crap, convert it back, author a new tape using that data. Reel-to-reel of this era system, there's 2 tracks, there's 1 track of data, 1 track of audio. Now, if you come across Chuck E. Cheese shows on YouTube, where it's the audio track, they just literally cut the data track out and it's gone. Yeah, it was like there's this whining on the other one. I'll just put this 1 track up. Now, some people have full, like, high bitrate waves of these tapes. There's a few of those people out there who've been archiving those, but not public. They're not on the Internet Archive for the most part. They're hard to find because Chuck E. Cheese still exists, and they're a little litigious. But making contacts at the show, we're making contacts elsewhere. We currently have 3 show tapes that are borrowed from someone that we're dumping with this tape deck, which we just finished recapping and restoring the other weekend, and probably could use a little bit more cleanup, but it's good enough to capture the tapes with the data. We're doing okay. And so we're trying to capture them and archive them, and also maybe build some converters to go back and forth between these different formats we've created over the years, and be able to author new tapes from scratch. Because being able to synthesize the perfect FSK waveform without copying a copy of a copy of a copy, being able to go to pure digital and then right back to synthesized sine waves, just make it so much easier. We still have their audio cards. We went there, he took a bunch of pictures, he took a bunch of measurements, he sent them to me, he dumped a bunch of ROMs, he disassembled all the ROMs. I did the best I could making a reproduction schematic and reproduction circuit boards. We filled in the blanks with, like, this is what the ROM was doing, so this must be routed this bit to this channel. That's the only way it would ever work. And I have my best guess at reproduction audio cards just sitting in content files on GitHub right now, because I had to pull them out of the museum and guess at what was under these chips because I couldn't just out of the chips.
It's so cool.
Here we go. Right down here on the corner, we have another set receiving channel 7 right there. There it is, in glorious black and white. Oh, it's doing something.
They could probably make it another one of the games.
That would be a. I think that's a good good guess. I can actually walk around and see some things and stuff. Definitely. Oh, someone's making a call. Oh, we're making a call on a Cocot. Look at that.
You actually have to put coins in it. I don't have any coins. Let's see if I can call it though.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I don't have any coins either. That's funny. Someone brought a Cocot.
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, there you go. There.
That's
Oh,
out.
it already did it.
Oh, you want to try actually making a call?
Here, go for it. Have
All
fun.
right. Do this.
Oh, here we go.
All right, 2423. Yes. You got a ring?
Oh.
There it is. 24.
Okay, so now. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, so now let's try doing it from there to here.
So the switches are set right on that now?
No. Wait. Oh no, keypad
In, out.
in.
Tone.
Tone. Yeah, so that doesn't matter. So
But with that switch on, you'll have dial tone.
I don't have dial tone right now.
The white one is 2422.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
that
this works.
Yeah.
You can't hear me.
Yeah, sounds good too.
All right, so
You just lost your quarter. Oh,
Completed a call, we got the quarter.
wow.
all right, so now.
Oh, there's the phone guy. He's got the bright colored vest and the white hard hat. That makes him look official.
Shady Tell is nothing but official.
Oh, this is where the magic happens. As far as I know.
This has a
And you set up like some sort of white.
Oh, that's
Kind of depends on.
that is really old school sounding. So that's 535. So oh, there we go. 5, 3, 5.
That's what I want. She won't get.
Listen to that. Listen, that is just. That's great.
That's awesome.
Now take it off the hook. That's the busy signal. There you go, there's your shady tell. Look at all these overhead wires running this way and over that way.
There's a jam session for Cocoa Fest.
And usually we try to have one song that we change the lyrics to David Ladd.
Oh, okay.
Like they did TNT one time, it was David Ladd, oi, oi, oi. I've got some floppies need grease weaseled.
It's like your own little portable, like, copying system.
Unfortunately, you mentioned Grease Weasel, so now you're going to make a sponsor.
Yeah, that's a David Ladd trigger word, grease weasel.
So now we're going to be talking about that's okay. You know what? That's okay. I am a big fan of the project, at least in terms of, like, the ones that I have get a lot of use because I run across, like, Amiga stuff, and it's fantastic. But lately I've been doing some, like, getting wilder about my disc format. So maybe at some point I'll actually do some, like I'll go into the Cocoa a little bit because I haven't had the occasion yet.
Wait, I'm making this.
Are you looking for the mosh pit, Ben?
Yes, have you seen it?
I think it's over there somewhere where all that noise is coming from.
No, that's the Indian wedding.
Oh.
It's very off the chains.
I don't know, the food smelled good.
Yeah, it's quite the festival. I wanted to eat some, but I'm not part of the wedding.
Neither am I. I didn't bring that kind of suit with me.
You gotta bring two suits apparently if you're a guy.
Apparently, yes.
Yeah, a white one in the morning and a black one in the evening.
That's just too many costume changes.
Yeah,
for me.
that's like 2 more suits than I own.
This is like a beta test of our set, so I wouldn't mind not sharing your footage.
That just makes me want to share it more.
We might copyright strike all of you. You know how to do it.
here for Ron, our favorite Furry.
Take your shirt off, Ron.
Good night, everybody.
Will you be taking questions?
Well, we could do them maybe at the end. If there's time permitting at the end, we'll take questions.
Hold your questions till the end.
Not requests, just questions. Like why?
Someone was going to say it.
And also, what gives you the right?
That was awesome.
That's our set.
Encore!
So I'm happy.
You are the next band.
So have you all been to thestopbits.net? Okay. So that was a website I made on my 486 like a week and a half ago.
Whoa.
I'm gonna add us on MySpace.
We should totally do that.
We should make a MySpace.
We should make a MySpace. Like we don't have any other social media. I think we're ready, Amy.
10, print, hello world, 20, go to 10, front, 10, print, hello world, 20, go to 10, front.
Back to basics, back to basics. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A nightmare, or a nightmare. All my life I've waited for you. You know it just isn't fair.
I don't know.
Hi, Taylor. Hi. So if you don't know Taylor and Amy, are with the Taylor and Amy show on YouTube. And that's Veronica Science. This is Sean from Action Retro, you might have heard him. And this is the first time we've ever played together in front of people, and it's like the second time we've ever played together. This is our little punk rock number.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you set? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Before I show the salad full of magic
Now we're going to slow it down a little bit.
This is our power ballad.
There is not one molecule of moisture in my mouth if anybody on the water.
This is a power ballad, as we mentioned. It means that we use at least like 20 to 30 amps to perform this ballad. I'm sorry, this is you're the beta group here, people. You will have a questionnaire at the end that will provide us feedback to improve our product.
Oh, nice.
How was your favorite experience at 4 or 5?
Outside, we've installed one of those little things where you can press the happy or the sad. Unfortunately, it runs on a VIC-20, so it's currently just always sad. I love the VIC-20. I love the VIC-20. I think I have a picture of one on my channel right now. Okay. I'm needed for this one.
You're turning red.
Branch on overflow set. Go on all night. But we do have one more number for you.
Is it a rock song? It'll be 20 minutes long.
But this one, we're hoping you all sing along with us because this one means something special to us as VCF is our first show. And this is a song about the Vintage Computer Festival.
What?
So, yeah, that's right. So the lyrics that we want you to know are at VCF with my friends. Okay? So you'll hear it at VCF with my friends, and we just expect you all to start singing it and holding hands.
Oh, let's not get carried away now.
It's a kumbaya moment. It's going to be great.
Festival at VCF with my friends. 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 Computer history for us come to life. Video games you haven't played. Take five. It's an era never ended after all. Vintage Computer Festival at VCF with my friends. VCF with my friends. VCF with my friends. With my friends. VCF with my friends. VCF with my friends. VCF with my friends. Come on! With my friends.
Thank you.
I think you only missed like the first song.
Alright, we're gonna try to figure one more out. We
never played this song before. You all will have to bear with us.
21 bottles. Hard triangle. Big Gold Records.
Whatever you want.
Look at this, I got a sticker. She's busy, yeah. Taylor's busy, but Taylor gave me a sticker. David, you're cut off. You're cut off. No more vodka. Yeah, you're cut off, David.
I could stand another one or two.
What were you doing with the Commodore 128, David?
Oh, yeah.
All right, good night, everybody. Once David starts petting the Commodore 128, it's time to call it a night. And then there's that guy. Where is he? There he is. There he is. There's that guy. Follow him on something. That's gonna do it for VCF Midwest 19. I had a blast. It was great seeing everybody, seeing all the cool displays and whatnot. But with that, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.